Yo, what's up guys? This is Incognet Samples and today we looked at the project MORTEN Polar. Let's get started. This is a brace from Avenger, library Tech House. Sound processing of our brace is very simple. This is universal OTT and basic EQ. Kick and tom is very similar to original. You can see the bass sometimes repeats tom's groove. It fills the drop with low frequencies. This is neat because one tom will not be enough for low frequencies. And what about the synthesis of sub-bass? It's banal simple. One oscillator, simple saw, and low pass filter. Okay guys, let's talk about the main lead. This lead was taken from the project Remake Vibrancy, and you can watch this video on our YouTube and find out how the synthesis of this lead was made. In short, this is simple saw with a white noise and with very short envelope. Okay guys, go ahead. Sound processing. Here everything is as usual. Saturn for saturation, Valhalla for good space. OTT for pumping and brightness our sound, EQ, stereo gain, the glue for compression, and sidechain. Sound processing of this noise is the same, there are only a few differences. Valhalla it doesn't work here, and you can see the stereo effect. This is a good reverb trick, and you can hear it filling the space. And also you can see that some notes are adjusted to the melody. Calibrate the pitch to our melody. Okay, well, a few words about mastering. Except for the limiter and compressor, there is nothing here.